So what's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. For today's video, we'll be doing an iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, speed test and benchmark comparison. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the Apple A18 Pro, which is a hexa-core 3nm chip with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which is an overclocked octa-core 4nm chip with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. And without any further ado, let's get started. So based from the results, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is faster in opening apps, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is faster in opening of games. Although the difference is not that much and they're almost in neck to neck. In benchmarks, the iPhone always wins in Geekbench, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra wins on Antutu and 3D benchmark. Well, overall, you can't go wrong on both phones. They are both fast and fluid, and playing games are great on these phones. They are marketed at a premium price and expect the best of the best performance on these phones. So who do you think wins the speed test and benchmark comparison? Is it the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Comment down below. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.